Hey everyone, in this quick video I will show you how to create client proposal templates in Notion for 2025. Instead of starting from scratch, go straight to Notion template gallery or use community-made client proposals template. This usually comes with pre-built sections like project overview, scope of work, deliveries, pricing, and timelines, so you are not reinventing the wheel. Once you've added the template to your workspace, customize it for your business. You can edit the headings, drop in your branding, and even add callouts blocks to highlight key selling points or guarantee. The great part is once it's set up, you can just duplicate the template for every new client proposal. To make it even more powerful, link your proposal template with other Notion databases like your CRM project tracker or Innovices. That way you can track proposals through the entire sales pipeline and keep everything connected in one place. Finally, when your proposal is ready, use Notion Share feature to send clients a clean professional link instead of cluttered PDFs or emails attachments. It's faster, easier, and looks polished. And that's it. Thanks everyone for watching.